Welcome to the exciting world of a curly girl on roller skates. This is my first day roller skating again after 16 years. I know, right? I don't look that old, do I? Oh, to be young again. I'm going to take you through step by step how to get back onto your roller skates if you haven't been on them, or how to start roller skating for the first time. But I must say, going downhill, it's a bit frightening at the moment. The only problem with this hairstyle, the helmet didn't fit on my head, so it's very dangerous. Always wear a helmet. Don't try and be cool or brave, it's just stupid. Okay, so let's start. Roller skating for beginners. Number 1, gear up. Start by wearing appropriate safety gear. You need knee pads, elbow pads, helmet, please, wrist guards. Safety first, okay? Number 2, you need to find the right roller skates. You need to make sure the skates are the right size. Choose skates that fit snugly but not too tight. Your toes should lightly touch the front of the boot, okay? Number 3, let's learn to balance. You want to begin on a flat surface like what I'm doing. You want a flat, you don't want any incline. Practice standing with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and your arms out for balance. Number 4, the glide. You want to keep your weight centered at all times. So you want to push one foot and glide to the side and glide to the other side while keeping your weight centered, and then repeat the other foot. Number 5, then you want to master the stride. Practice a simple striding motion by pushing one foot out to the side and bringing it back in. Alternate legs and then gradually increase your speed. So you want to build it up after that. Number 6, you need to know how to turn. It's quite essential. You need to shift your weight slightly to one side and use the corresponding foot to guide the turn. Practice turning in both directions. Now I tend to turn in one direction because I'm not confident enough to try it both ways. So I always seem to turn one way. I think it's to the left because it seems comfortable. And number 7, stopping techniques. How do you stop? There's 2 basic stopping techniques, the T-stop and the plow stop. With the T-stop, you want to drag one foot perpendicular to the other, creating a T shape. The plow stop, you angle your feet in a V shape and gently press the inside edges of your skates into the ground. Number 8, this one you're going to think I'm silly, but you need to know how to fall safely. Falling is part of learning. If you feel yourself losing balance, crouch down to reduce the impact. We're gonna fall. If you don't fall, I don't know, you must be some alien or something. Number 9, you need to build some confidence. Spend time practicing basic movements in a controlled environment, gradually challenging yourself with speed and maneuvering. And number 10, advanced skills. Once you've gained your confidence, you can explore different techniques like backward skating, crossovers, jumps, but take it at your pace. For me, I'm still going forwards, but remember, learning to roller skate takes practice and patience. Enjoy. I'm enjoying it at the moment. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Why not like this video and leave a comment? Thanks for watching. Bye.